DITY and Fancy Cat Show.
Yeah, we just want to borrow some more money. Credit check. Me check a Friday. Yeah, me know I said last Friday. Yeah, me know I said the Friday before. Yeah. Hello?
Yo, fine. A long time when I get a little work still, I know.
Really got to be a little small hustle. Small hustle.
Hello? Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright. Yo, brethren, thank God that, you know. Say I put a little small offering on the table. So I have some foreigner come in and I'm going to escort them around the city.
Oh, yeah. Escort? Yeah, like you want police come lock you. Escort.
Yeah, that. I will go make foreign money.
Foreign money?
Yeah.
Foreign money? Nice. That means I will start brushing up with twang then, ain't it?
Yeah, man. Me and Rafa start to chop noise like this. I make the foreigner them feel like,
Yeah. And maybe we can get some foreign clothes too. Because around season 4 we are wear this, you know. Yo, Lintamba, man. Come on, yo. Move now, man.
for sure, if, you know. 7 to 30.
Yeah, 5 to 30. Yeah, just about a phone.
You understand something I call about? Yes. Yeah, man. Yes. Welcome to Jamaica. Yes. You know, yeah, it's me and my friend. My friend and I. Wow. My friend.
Yeah, that's do your thing, man. That's your thing.
What's your name?
My name is Emanuella, and these are my uncles, Uncle Ben and Uncle DENILSON.
Where you see how far them come from?
Uncle, I thought you said we are going to meet Shaggy and Champagne.
How far my brethren said?
Yo, them sound like foreigner to you.
Ben, who are these two wet Canadians?
I don't know. They look like some tricksters.
They're probably not Shaggy and Champagne. I think they look and act like clowns.
Where in Americas do you come from?
We come from Nigeria.
Come on. Yo, come go check with star. Come go check with Nigeria foreign. Foreign America.
The Nigeria in America.
Yes, man.
You never hear about Nigeria fall in Canada, side of America.
I think they're clowns. Is this their real faces?
Yo,
So what I do? So I'm not pay with. Leave him in the bus here with me.
Hello. Good afternoon. I can get 30 seconds of your time? Just 30 seconds. 30 seconds. I'm from an organization called Healthier Breast, promoting some new brassieres that will help to reduce the breast of risk cancer among women.
Say what?
Help to reduce the risk of risk cancer among women. Do you like your brassiere padded or unpadded? Comfortable padded, okay. Are you allergic to any particular type of material where brassiere is concerned?
I'm not try all of them because I don't really like brassiere.
You know, like brassiere. All right. Okay. Do you prefer your brassiere tight, loose fitted, or
Tony.
slack? Oh, yes, babes, how you doing?
I've been calling you all morning.
I'm working.
Who is this? Tony,
Vibrate
why am I
because I'm
calling
working.
from morning and you're out here chat to woman and you not pick up your phone?
I work.
You don't even know what I want. You don't even know why I'm calling you, Tony. Who is this person? Lady, don't walk away from me. Please, don't walk away from me.
Martin doing a survey.
Survey?
Ask me question.
What kind of survey my husband should be doing? This is your woman, Tony?
I work, baby.
Babe, why you been calling you all evening and I answer? Who is this person? Oh, which one of them woman you there with Tony?
None of them. We're not there with none of them. Phone up and vibrate, babe. Relax, man.
Something serious? I'm just passing, going to eat.
Serious?
Pick up my thing and
This is something serious. That's my husband and I find you talking to my man on the road. Which one on there with him? Which one on there with him? Why you out here with my man, miss? What you? I'm with him. You just hold on for my man a while ago. No,
I see him a promote.
where my promote list, miss?
Yeah, where you going so far?
So tell me where my promote. Because I say I'll touch my man, huh? Brazil.
Vibrate.
Miss, my husband work in the office when I the road of the survey. I recommend them something and look woman in a miss. What you mean I know you in my look? Who is this person? I want him. I choose your brown skin.
Me no just him stop me for do one Brazil or something.
Miss, what kind of Brazil something this man you could not do with your lady? What you mean ask him? I she name Kim when I say I call you over there, Tony. I she name Kim when I say I call you over
Is your
there.
name Kim, miss?
Want him?
What you mean him?
Why you out here with my husband? Boy, what? Why you out here talking to my husband about them something there?
Me no know about your nose, but no mix up thing when I go with
Miss, don't walk away from me. Tony,
all
Tony,
right.
come out of my way now, Tony.
Can I get your number to continue this interview?
Lady.
Please.
What?
Please.
Lady.
Babe, I work in a babes.
You want me to get upset, right? You want me to
She
get
don't have
upset,
nothing-
right?
she don't have nothing to do with
Do
this.
not touch me. I don't know you. So
Look
don't
here.
do that.
I come out here and see I talk to my man. Tell me to lose it, please. Don't walk away from me. May I beg you, please don't walk away from me. Walk away and let me tell you what I'm going to lose it and do. Please, may I beg you. Office, my man working, I know. When I ask about Brazil about? I go and make a go on, but I regular him do them something. Tony, which one you there with me? Nikki, tell me see you have a pit near the road. Hello, don't walk away from me. Tony, tell me who that person is and make a go on bad, you know.
You can't leave nobody. This is not come in a normal. I don't come. Me a pass go and me a go. And this man stop me.
All right.
I will can accept me this family.
Who that woman here? Who you? Why you out here talking to my husband?
Back up there.
Back up?
Yes.
You back up. This is my husband. Yes?
But hello, tell you where you're
You tell me because of you, my man out here talking to.
You must say what you're professional about Brazil.
Tony, which one of them are there with? The girl when him came in your phone, which one of them? Which one of them? Coming like a you. That's why you are walkway. It's coming like a you.
See the police them there.
Police, I'm about to lose it. I don't business with them. I'm about to go crazy.
All right.
And to lose it. Miss, Grey? Tell me something need to drop the bag and go on bad right now, please. Drop your bag too because we're going to roll today. Me and you are going to roll right now. Drop your bag, please. And I'm about to get upset right now. I'm about to lose it. Tell him don't touch you now.
All right. Can I get your
Very
number?
good
so we can-
morning.
Further,
You're
yeah.
on the Item Fancy Cat show. Did she do you anything out of the ordinary? You have Major Heights and Fancy Cat show. How do you feel? Smile for the camera. Okay? Let's wave to the camera.
All right, thanks for watching. This is IT.
And that's the Hotel Fancy Cat.
You want to see more? Where you go?
No, do that because I realize I'm going to watch the video. But not so much comment.
Yes.
So no need for comment.
Yes.
And share some more.
And subscribe. Tell a friend to subscribe.
Yeah. You
All
see
right.
me?
Thanks for watching IT.
Fancy Cat.